How to bundle products in Shopify. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Shopify dashboard. And then you want to install an app called Shopify Bundles. You can do so by searching for Shopify Bundles in the search field at the top. And then you will take into the Shopify App Store and you will be taken to Shopify Bundles. And just install this app and follow the instructions. When the app is installed, you just go to Apps and then Bundles. And from here, you want to click Create Bundle. And let's say we want to create a bundle that sells jeans and sneakers at a discount. And then select products, jeans and sneakers. And then you want to click Save and Continue. And from here you want to type a title, and then you want to type a description. And then you want to add some media if you want to, like image or video. And then you want to adjust the prices for the different sizes. And then you want to put status active. And then you want to click Save. And as you can see here, we now have a jeans and sneakers discount bundle on our products page. So this is how you bundle products in Shopify. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.